Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. We will start with crypto today. You can see crypto is booming. You can see Bitcoin is up almost 4.3% this morning, and we're getting a 8 count SPY signal today. I was telling everybody last Friday that you can see we are getting a 7 count SPY signal. We are near 200 moving average blue lines, and this is a bounce, and this was a fake out move below this previous support, and now we are again back in the support. And this is amazing trade. And if listen, I release multiple videos using linear regression and multiple other analysis, and even 4 hour chart. I was saying we are getting a bounce. We are getting a divergence. I can show you here, and you should be looking to not short Bitcoin, and a bounce is coming. You can see 4 hour chart price is going lower. RSI PPO is going higher, and then we break out of this white line, 20 moving average, and amazing trades here. All right, and we're already up more than 8% here. Ethereum, you can see same story here. I said Ethereum is good time to buy, and we are already up 11.27%. And congratulations if you took this trade. Now, where we are, one thing which is bothering me is 1 hour chart, and you can see there is a gap up happen here this morning. Okay, this is bothering me because they could really, if they want, they could bring this back down here to fill this gap. Okay, and Ethereum also same thing. You can see a gap up. So that's the only thing which is bothering me. If there was no gap and they could have done a clean take transition, that would have been better. But regardless, this is where we are. And we'll see if they, you can see here also we have a gap. So anyhow, I'll see, I'll think about it if I'm going to hold or sell it. They could, eventually it's going to go higher, but I don't know if they're going to bring it back down, fill this gap and then go higher, or they're going to continue going higher. We'll see. Ethereum, same story. I don't know if they're going to come back, fill this gap and go higher, or they're going to have another gap here around 48.28. If I go to 1 hour chart, you can see actually it's quite far away here. 1 hour chart gap here. So we'll see when they're going to fill, but I have to make a decision. I might be selling because my short-term indicator is telling me, you can see here, this is Bitcoin indicator, very overbought. I really want it to be here in the green lines to buy. Red lines is where I sell. Ethereum is also same thing. You can see I really want to buy in the green line. So we'll see. Maybe after this video, I will think about it and let my subscribers know. Okay, S&P 500, you can see here, we were in the buy zone on a Friday. Nice bounce. And then Nasdaq also same story here. We are here right now, already up pre-market. So probably they're gonna sell off at market open. So and then they will decide what they want to do. So we'll see how market behaves at market open. And let's go to daily chart and see other. Actually, let's go to other long-term chart on S&P 500 and see how this is going. You can see here we were in the buy zone and green zone after a massive dump here. Green touched and then bounced especially, and then you can see here had uh, RSI again came back near orange zone. So in a bull market, it's going to keep going between red line and orange line. Okay, so it can now, right now, it's around 68.28 on US 500 on MES chart. That line is around 68.51. So you can see this is what happens in a bull market. Orange and red just keeps going back and forth. You can see here back and forth. This was a bear market, but you can see here very nicely where every time it comes close to green line it bounces back and then keeps going like that. All right, so just keep that in mind. And let's go to daily chart, and let's see how things are going on S&P 500 world. You can see we really want to close above this white line, and if I show you SPY, you can see they're opening on this white line. They try to open multiple times above this white line, but they failed to close above that. Okay, so this is a critical test, and if they can close above that, then probably we're gonna go, oh, sorry about that, hit a new all-time high about 673. You can see SPX just closed below white line on Friday session, and it has to close above 6674 today to be bullish. And right now live market, they are opening up above that. MNQ, same story here. Actually, MNQ is stronger. It already closed above this white line on Friday. You can see this NDX chart already closed above that. Triple Q, you can see already is above all moving averages. So looking very bullish. Probably they're going to go touch new all-time high this morning. We'll see. And then VIX is crushing. Massive pump and then a big dump here. So we'll see. They're gonna come fill some of these gaps. Looks like 20.04 and then 19.03. And apart from that, Bitcoin. All right, so which I already covered. This is live market. It's bouncing off this 200 moving average, coming near some resistance, multiple moving averages here. This is CME futures, some resistance around 115. So I think it's going to keep going higher, a little more higher near 115, and then we'll see what happens. On a live market, it already closed above green line, so it's going to continue probably going higher. Ethereum, similar story, resistance are near 4200 area, so it looks like they do want to bring it there, and on CME futures already there. So we'll see, maybe it will go a little bit more higher and then come back. We'll keep an eye on this. And what else is here? Let's see. Tesla is earnings are coming actually this week, so Wednesday night. So we'll see. Maybe they will chop around that, and then if you ask me, I think it's going to probably go down because there's so many gaps to fill here. Nvidia is down pre-market, not sure why. There's gap at the top, gap at the bottom. Right now in the middle, we don't know which way it's gonna go, so we'll keep an eye on it. Microsoft also trying to reverse the trend. Apple is up, wow, 1.82%. This is driving the market, not sure why. iPhone 17 is bouncing, interesting. Sales are going high. Google is also near high. Amazon had a little bit of outage, but this is also a good buy here, in my opinion. Going lower, but also earnings are coming too on this October 30th. Actually, this week is amazing. Oh no, actually next week. So next week, Apple is also, let's see, 30th October. Microsoft is 20. Next week is gonna be boom. Like a lot of earnings are coming. Meta is also next week, also looking very solid here. Probably gonna fill this gap at some point, 750. avgo is far away. Netflix earnings is this week, actually Tuesday. So interesting. We'll see what they're gonna do. CrowdStrike and ServiceNow is also coming this or next Wednesday. So next Wednesday is the main thing for earnings. Bond market getting a 7 count sell signal. Crude oil is getting a 7 count buy signal. Very, very interesting. So this is where you want to be now. Crude oil trade, every time I get that, it gets a bounce. So you can see here, gets a bounce. So I'll be looking to buy some of these oil miners. You can see Suncor was getting a 8 counts buy signal on Friday. CNQ was dumping, but again near very nice buy zone here, I think. Enbridge was also near, and XOM was also. So we'll see which one is the best to buy. SU is down from top to bottom 12.21%, and then CNQ is down from top to bottom 13%. So both of them are not bad. So we'll see which way. Actually, earnings are coming on CNQ 30th of October, and Suncor is 29th of October. So we'll see which way, and XOM is also coming. Earnings are on 31st of October. Anyhow, um, so let's go back to crude oil. Yeah, in the nice support and buy zone, natural gas is bouncing, massive gap up. So probably they're gonna come back at some point to fill this gap. Gold is already after a massive down day going higher again. So we'll see if this is it. If they already seen the top, maybe today could be just a dead cat bounce and then we go down. I mean lower high, not dead cat, lower high. Silver is same thing after massive sell-off. Copper is not interested here. And dollar is after 7 counts, maybe trying to bounce. AMD up almost 2%, just flagging here. Qualcomm looking nice. Shopify is also looking okay here. MicroStrategy is also pumping 3.48%, so looking good that one too. Um, and I think that's about it. I covered everything else. Okay, guys, if there are any other particular stocks you want me to review, put a comment in the description. I will take a look. And futures already up. Nasdaq 5.54. I think should be looking to take profits before they start dumping. In my opinion, we'll keep an eye on it. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.